Oliver and Dad arrive at the hospital. Oliver is having an MRI examination today. When you do an MRI examination, you take pictures of what is inside the body. It's almost like a big camera. Join us to see what it looks like when Oliver gets an MRI. Oliver and Dad tell the people in the reception they have arrived. Then they sit down in the waiting room. Here you can read a book while you wait. Radiographer Kenneth and Hippo come by and say hello. They say welcome and chat a bit. Hippo wants to give Oliver a fist bump. Kenneth leads the way to the MRI machine. Dad hands over the form that they have received in the post. Kenneth explains to Oliver that the MRI machine is like a big magnet. That's why he must change his clothes and take off anything metal. Dad must do the same. Some examinations require a small plastic tube to be placed in the vein. Oliver has put on some magic cream beforehand, so he only feels a small poke when he gets the plastic tube inserted. Through the plastic tube, you can get something called a contrast liquid, which means that they get better pictures. The MRI machine looks like a large, round donut. Oliver gets to try running the bench up and down a little. Oliver lies down on the bench. He gets a talk button in his hand, which he can press if he wants to say something to Kenneth while he's in the machine. Kenneth explains to Oliver that it is important that he lies completely still when the pictures are taken in order for the pictures to look good. Oliver puts on headphones that he can listen to music with. He gets headphones on because the MRI machine makes a lot of strange, loud noises when it takes pictures. He puts on a kind of helmet over his head. It's called a coil and makes the pictures look good. There are different types of equipment that you wear in the area that they take pictures from. Finally, the bench is driven into the machine and now Oliver has to lie completely still. Oliver is ready. Dad sits next to Oliver the whole time and Kenneth goes to the room next door where he gets the pictures up on a screen. He can talk to Oliver from there with a microphone. After quite a long time, the examination is finished, the bench is wheeled out and Oliver takes off the equipment. Oliver gets to change into his own clothes and he gets his glasses back on. Kenneth goes to get the prize box and Oliver gets to choose a prize. Now Oliver and Dad can go home. Goodbye, Kenneth and Hippo.